today we'll be doing the fraction bars and all that stuff because I'm just gonna help you guys if you guys are struggling on fractions. So if you know how to make a fraction bar, then try it. But if you don't try it, I guess. Alright, do 2/3 on a number line in a fraction bar. I'm just gonna do that. 2/3 and 2/3. Alright. Okay, so pause the video and then when you're ready, unpause the video because I will be doing it. Alright, so here's the number line and the bar. The bar is gonna be first because it's easier. 1, 2, 3, 1, and then we gotta 1, 2, 3, then 2. Then on the number line, 2/3 would be 0. Take the 0 and 1, we need that. And then 1, 2, 3. So let's and I just to help you out, I just like do 1/3, 2/3, and then 3/3, and just circle it, I guess. But that's what helps you. You can do whatever you want for the part. Right. Where's my pen? There you see. Show. So I want to show you how to do part 4. Friends eat 7 cookies. Alright, 4 friends eat 7 cookies. Don't solve it on your stuff. Sorry, that's a bad ass. So 4 friends eat 7 cookies. We have our so one of these are going to be our numerator and one of these are going to be our denominator. So I'll show you what a numerator and a denominator is. So a numerator and denominator is like 4/3 actually. No, yeah, no. What is one? I want to do that. 5/5. Like this would be your numerator, and this would be your divide, and this would be your denominator. Can I see that? Like where your fractions go? The numerator right here. Your numerator right here is how much you have in all. Here, just saying how much you need to have. You need to have or less. It could be more, but that would be another bar. That would be another. That'd be another bar. So Alright, so 4 friends eat 7 cookies. So, I use some extra. Alright, so 7 cookies, we just draw, well, some boys. Alright, that includes my dumb sister. Alright. 6 friends eat 3 cookies. So you have to draw 3 boxes, which it's easier to draw boxes than cookies. Is when you draw cookies right here. It's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's weird. Everybody does weird shapes. That. Alright. 6 friends, we would draw 5 lines each. So I draw 5. So I draw 5 lines at each. 1, 2. Oh god, that's a horrible line. Alright.
Hey, Cassie.
What?
I'm making an outro. I already have it. What are you doing? Why are you so extra?
2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 4, 5. Then you would number all of your ones. 1, 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3. So it's gonna be 3 the numerator, and the denominator is how many friends are in each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3, 6. It's gonna be your total. Alright. Can I see that? Alright, Terry. Oh shoot. How 8 friends eat 7 cookies. Try that one by yourself, and then pause the video, and then when you're ready, zoom it. Alright, hey. So 7 cookies, that's gonna be our denominator. Wait. Never mind about that. So 7 cookies, 1, oh god, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for our bonus, we might be doing some angles. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that's a hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold on, let me just erase this 3 of these. I need to make my lines equal, my squares bigger. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, this one fits. This is my favorite one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dang it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So there's all the 7. These are the other ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are all your ones. 1, 2, 4, 6. So 7 will be your numerator, and the rows inside is going to be denominator. That's. Wait, no, wait, wrong way. Wrong way. Oh, wrong way again. There I go. Oh, oopsies. That's not supposed to go there. Oh, yeah. Just. Yeah, let's. Alright. Alright, do 2/3 on a fraction bar, please. Oh, we already did that. Oopsies. The wrong group. Right, 6/7, please. Yes. And remember I told you. Numerator. Divide. This is. I believe I'm. And then do. Okay, try that. Pause. 6/7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'll help you. 1/7, 2/7, 3/7.